Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this kinky straight beauty, which she is a headband unit, but believe it or not, she's not even just a headband unit. She is actually a half wig that I'm wearing as a headband unit, so that's a plus. This wig is also in sponsorship with a wonderful company on Amazon, and it's from the Nadula company. That's right, me and Nadula have teamed up to bring you guys another interesting hair review. So I got contacted by them and asked would I review their products. So I went out, purchased the unit, and I'm actually excited that I got one. This is the box that it comes in. Very nice, black, sleek. I kind of like the fact that it's black and gold. Two colors that I like around the fall season. When you first get it, it does come with two headbands. So this is one headband that I got, and then this is the other one. And also your wig comes in a bag, and it lets you know how long it is. Mine is Kinky straight. It's a Kinky straight half wig, and mine is in 20 inches. So this is 20 inches of Kinky straight hair, and as you can tell, it's definitely got some bounce to it. I wore this wig all day yesterday just to get a feel for it, see if I like it, and I can honestly say this is a unit that I can see myself wearing more than once, especially during the winter time when it gets cold and I just got to throw something on my head. I can definitely see myself wearing this unit, and I think it's gonna look even prettier on Thanksgiving. So 9 times out of 10, you will probably be seeing me in this unit on Thanksgiving with a different headband, of course. But you'll probably be seeing me on Thanksgiving with this wig, and I am going to curl it. But I love Kinky straight. Me and Kinky straight have a wonderful, beautiful relationship with each other. I just love the fact of how natural it looks. It looks very natural. This is literally what my hair looks like blown out. Like if I was to blow out my real hair, it looks like this. So I love the fact that it mimics that texture. You can actually see the texture. You can see the waves and the roots and everything. So I think that's a plus that I love about the unit. And with it being that texture, it's easy for it to hold a curl, a good curl too. Definitely worth the money. Like I said, I did get a 20-inch. I believe they go all the way up to a 22 or a 24, but I got a 20 because I'm really used to a 20-inch in kinky straight hair. I've never really gone past a 20-inch. So it would be quite interesting to see how we can manage that. But I definitely like the unit. Like I said, it was highly affordable. You know, we're all about affordability over here. And we're all about Amazon. Who doesn't love Amazon? But so if this is a wig that would be to your liking, and of course it's, you know, like I said, it's a half wig. So you're actually able to pull out your own hair, blend it in with this unit to even make it a little bit more customized. If you like this unit, definitely make sure you hit that link down below and go on over and cop that unit. Let them know that the Tame One sent you. If this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit the bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.